You're not lazy for slowing down. You're not weak for needing a break. Hi guys, another series of Hoy, wag kang aaris dyan. I don't have any idea kung ano yung ita-title ko sa episode na to, sa series na to. Because I'll be making series of this na pure life lesson lang with me habang nag-skincare tayo. Another title na iniisip ko is Responsible Living with Me. By the way, I'm Reese. So, today's topic is about rest. Akala ko dati, yung pahinga is para lang sa mga taong tapos na sa responsibilidad. Yung tipong kapag productive ka buong araw, tsaka mo lang deserve mag-rest. Pero napansin ko na kahit anong sipag ko, bakit parang pagod pa din ako? The truth is, rest is not a reward. It's a need. Kahit nga si Jesus, di ba, nagpahinga siya sa gitna ng storms, sa gitna ng crowd. Pumunta siya sa tahimik para magdasal, para magpahinga, at para mag-recharge. So kung si Jesus nga nagpapahinga, bakit hindi tayo? Alam mo, you're not lazy for slowing down. And also, you're not weak for needing a break. You are human. Tao lang tayo. And God didn't design us to be 24/7 productive. Design niya tayo para maging present, peaceful, and aligned with Him. So today, pause ka muna. Hindi mo kailangan ma-deserve yung rest. Rest is holy, rest is healing, and rest is a gift. And you don't need to feel guilty for receiving it. Sabi nga, come to me all who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest.